Allowing others to create notes on your Instagram posts and Reels increases engagement, fosters community interaction, provides diverse perspectives, and enhances content richness. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. A menu will appear from the bottom. Select Settings and Privacy. Swipe up to go down. Under How others can interact with you, go to Sharing. Here you will see the option, Allow notes on posts and Reels. Simply tap the slider on to enable this. From now on, people can add notes to your posts and Reels. It will increase engagement, fosters community interaction, provides diverse perspectives, and enhances content richness. So in this way, you can allow others to create notes on your posts and Reels on Instagram.